treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. It distinguishes itself from the competition with features such as a tachometer, an outside temperature display, and one-touch window functionality. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.